newly elected Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, after assuming the charge of the office, is now visiting Hanuman Temple in the CP area after taking oath as the Delhi Chief Minister. Let's cut across to get the live visuals of her visiting the Hanuman Temple after taking oath of Delhi CM as the CM. There we have new Delhi Chief Minister and India's youngest women Chief Minister, visiting the Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place today, where the visit in fact marks just a day after she has also taken charge and oath as the newly elected Chief Minister of Delhi. Remember viewers, her taking charge as Delhi Chief Minister has in fact also created a lot of war of words between the BJP and the Delhi at this given point of time, where the BJP has raised several questions of the conduct in which the charge was taken by the India's youngest women Chief Minister. All right, viewers, let me also quickly get a word from my colleague Shubhrana, who is joining us live from the location where Atishi is visiting the temple. Atishi, what exactly is the mood at the ground at this point of time? Atishi seems very happy as well in the visuals we can see, but what exactly is happening? What are the programs of the newly elected Chief Minister of Delhi? Shubh.
Yes, definitely, Simran. After being elected the first time as the Chief Minister, Atishi is all set. Atishi is inside the Hanuman Mandir of the Connaught Place, and this Hanuman Mandir is very special for Aam Aadmi Party because when Arvind Kejriwal was out from the jail, he first came to visit Hanuman Mandir. Also, when Sanjay Singh and Manish Sisodia were out from Tihar jail, they have visited Hanuman Mandir, and now Atishi, after taking the charge of the Chief Minister, Atishi is inside the Hanuman Mandir seeking the blessing of Lord Hanuman, where she will in 5 minutes she'll come and she'll speak to media, and she has previously mentioned that to seek blessings from Lord Hanuman so that Delhi governance could work well with his blessings. Atishi is here to seek blessings from the Sankat Motion, and as you can see in the visuals, people are also lined up. They also wanted to see their new Chief Minister. Also, in a few minutes she will be here to speak to the media. But it is very interesting to note that Simran, Atishi, after taking charge yesterday, she went to Delhi Secretariat, and now today the time comes when she is at the Hanuman Mandir to seek blessings, and a week long is there because the first challenge for Atishi is to get Mahila Samman Yojana in the Vidhan Sabha, because Arvind Kejriwal have promised that each and every woman of the Delhi will get a amount of 1,000 rupees. So this would be the first challenge for Atishi to get it done. So to seek blessings of the Lord Hanuman, Atishi is here at the Connaught Place Temple of Hanuman Mandir. Yes.
All right, Shubh, thank you for bringing us the live details that you're tracking from the ground as far as the newly elected Chief Minister of Delhi and India's youngest female Chief Ministers has now visited the Hanuman Temple after taking oath and assuming office as the Chief Minister of Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.